Good day everyone and warm greetings from Tafelberg Furnishers. Today we are visiting our homeware department again, where I would like to introduce you to a few trendy and handy homeware for you products. First, we are having a look at their trendy and practical range of chair covers. It is a stretch banquet chair cover that is made of strong fabric for extra durability. It will protect your chairs from stains and scratches, and it will help you give a new look to your old chairs. It also comes in a variety of beautiful colors such as black, blue, brown, burgundy and stone. The multifunctional electric lunchbox is a stylish, convenient and healthy way to enjoy your meals on the go. Thanks to this complete and practical lunchbox, you won't need to use a microwave to have a delicious hot meal away from home. This electric lunchbox is very easy to use. Simply connect it to mains and it will be ready in no time. Enjoy a perfect meal anytime and anywhere thanks to this incredible electric lunchbox. The Home4U Motivational Bottle is a 1 liter durable Triton bottle, which has motivational time and capacity markings to give you the motivation you would require to remind you to stay hydrated and drink enough water to reach your 2 liter water daily intake. It also features a one-click open, spring-loaded dust cap, pop-up silicone straw, wide mouth opening and strap included. These handy homeware items will certainly add convenience and comfort to your daily lifestyle. So get to your nearest Tafelberg branch and get your favorite Home4U item. Home4U and Tafelberg Furnishers, always a better deal.